Tired of seeing everyone online claiming to make easy money while you're stuck wondering what actually works? What if I told you people are quietly building full-time incomes right from home using small, affordable machines that anyone can run? Stick with me till the end. And by the way, click the link in the description to learn how you can start your own full-time income from home today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the real paths to financial freedom without the hype. If you're tired of scrolling through endless get-rich-quick schemes that leave you broke and frustrated, this video is your wake-up call. You know the drill. Most online advice pushes low-paying gigs like data entry or endless surveys, stuff that barely covers your morning coffee. But today, we're flipping the script. I'm diving into 9 underrated machines you can buy online for under $200 that are quietly turning regular folks into six-figure earners. These aren't factories or mega investments. They're compact, beginner-friendly setups you can run from your garage, kitchen, or even a spare closet. No fancy degrees needed, no prior experience. Just a laptop, some hustle, and these smart tools. Before we dive deeper, if you're serious about starting your own home-based business, click the link in the description. It can help you turn your free time into real income. We'll count down from number 9 to number 1 with real earning potential based on what's working right now. Think custom merch, eco-products, and viral social media trends. Let's jump in. Your side hustle empire starts now. Number 9. The heat press machine. Picture this: personalized t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags flying off Etsy shelves. For about $160, you can grab a compact heat press like the Cricut Easy Press. People are making steady income by printing custom designs for events, schools, or niche fandoms. Think cat mom tees or motivational gym gear. Setup's a breeze. Download free design software like Canva, print vinyl sheets for 50 cents a pop, and press for 30 seconds. One seller cleared over $1,000 in her first month by listing creative designs and running low-budget ads. Low risk, high creativity, perfect if you're artsy. Pro tip: target holidays early. Custom hoodies and mugs sell fast during seasonal rushes. Number 8. The vinyl cutter. If you've ever dreamed of custom decals for laptops, cars, or planners, this $200 machine is your ticket. It's like a mini printer for sticky graphics, cutting intricate patterns from vinyl rolls that cost pennies. With personalization booming, people are selling wedding monograms, business logos, and even phone skins on Etsy. Operation is simple. Hook it to your computer, upload SVGs from free sites like Design Bundles, and cut in under a minute. The only skill to learn is weeding, and you'll find tons of tutorials online. Want to make it more passive? Create digital designs and sell those files online. Easy entry, endless niches. Number 7. The Sublimation Printer. Level up your merch game with a small Epson Sublimation Printer that infuses designs into fabrics, metals, or ceramics. It's perfect for all-over prints on socks, keychains, and ornaments. With the demand for custom, eco-friendly gifts growing, creators are turning these setups into reliable monthly income. Ink refills are affordable, blanks are easy to order in bulk, and once calibrated, it's truly print and sell simplicity. Integrate it with Shopify for automated orders. This machine pays for itself fast. Number 6. The Laser Engraver. For under $500, the X-Tool D1 Mini etches wood, leather, and acrylic. Ideal for personalized jewelry, cutting boards, or phone cases. Artisans are earning thousands monthly by selling engraved gifts on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Etsy. It's plug and play, design in free Lightburn software, engrave in minutes, and you're in business. It's especially great for weddings, small biz gifts, and home decor trends. Number 5. The Embroidery Machine. Stitch your way to profit with a Brother SE600, which can embroider hats, bags, and uniforms in minutes. Custom polos, wedding napkins, and baby clothes are in constant demand. Creators are making thousands per month offering personalized stitching online. Load digitized patterns from sites like Urban Threads, ThreadUp, and let the machine do the work. Outsource repetitive tasks to scale faster. Number 4. The CNC Router. This desktop machine carves wood, foam, or soft metals for custom signs, toys, and decor. Perfect for anyone riding the home design wave. Software like Easel makes it beginner-friendly. Noise aside, it's a great garage setup. Partner with makerspaces or local artisans to take on larger projects and boost your income. Number 3. The 3D printer. The Ender 3 is a budget-friendly favorite for printing phone stands, figurines, or gadgets overnight. Hobbyists are earning consistent side income selling small, creative items on online marketplaces. With low-cost filament and free Cura slicing software, this is one of the most affordable ways to enter the maker economy. Number 2. The Candle Making Kit. An electric wax melter kit turns soy wax and essential oils into luxury candles that sell fast on Etsy and Amazon Handmade. Each candle can bring $20 in profit. Aromatherapy, seasonal scents, and minimalist designs all sell well. Melt, scent, pour, cure, and label. Simple and scalable. Want recurring income? Try subscription boxes for monthly deliveries. Number 1. The Automated Seed Starter Greenhouse. This compact app-controlled hydroponic dome grows herbs and microgreens 10 times faster than soil, and it's a game-changer for small space farming. Sell to restaurants, farmers markets, or via local delivery boxes. These setups can generate hundreds weekly with minimal maintenance. It's sustainable, eco-friendly, and ideal for anyone looking to mix profit with purpose. There you have it. 9 powerful machines ready to transform your spare time into real income. From compact heat presses to smart greenhouses, pick the one that excites you most and start building today. If you're ready to start making full-time income from home, click the link in the description right now and get started. Now go build that rich life.